Hello and welcome to the EHSTree channel. Today, we are exploring the intriguing world of Windsocks, simple yet essential tools that provide critical information across various industries. What is a windsock? The windsock is a white and red striped conical tube generally made from nylon fabric or a woven textile to estimate wind speed and direction. The meteorological instrument is usually found in airports, highways, racetracks, industrial facilities, chemical and nuclear plants, offshore oil rigs, beaches, marinas, and often windy locations. It is also a simple and helpful tool for firefighters to analyze the direction of smoke and fire and for local authorities in the event of accidents involving the release of toxic gases. The windsock, also known as wind cone, is an easy-to-read visual indicator of where the wind is blowing and how strong it is. When it comes to revealing the direction, a windsock pointing due west indicates an easterly wind. So, remember that the direction of the wind is the opposite in which the wind cone is pointing. As for wind speed, users must pay attention to the windsock's angle relative to the mounting pole. The windsock speed chart. As we have seen, wind direction is relatively easy to determine. The observer should look at the direction the windsock is flying to know where the wind is blowing from. When it comes to wind speed, there's something users must memorize. Windsocks feature 5 stripes, 3 bright red and 2 white stripes. You will notice 2 red stripes on both ends, followed by 2 white stripes and another red stripe in the middle. But how can we know if it's 3 or over 15 knots of wind? It's relatively easy. Each stripe flying parallel to the ground adds 3 knots of wind speed. 1 stripe is equal to 3 knots, 3.5 miles per hour, 5.6 kilometers per hour. 2 stripes is equal to 6 knots, 7 miles per hour, 11.1 kilometers per hour. 3 stripes is equal to 9 knots, 10.4 miles per hour, 16.7 kilometers per hour. 4 stripes is equal to 12 knots, 13.9 miles per hour, 22.2 kilometers per hour. 5 stripes is equal to 15 knots plus, over 17.3 miles per hour, 27.8 kilometers per hour.